Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews, in-depth features, and the best gear recommendations. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best stacking bin with lids on the market, the Sterilite 6-pack Industrial Tote. If you're looking for heavy-duty storage solutions for your home, garage, or workspace, stay tuned. This one's for you. Let's start with first impressions. When you see these bins, they immediately give off that built-to-last vibe. These are not your flimsy, crack-prone plastic containers. The Sterilite Industrial Totes come in a robust black and yellow color scheme that screams utility. The set includes 6 27-gallon containers, each designed to handle the toughest storage tasks. Now let's talk dimensions. Each tote has an outside measurement of 28.5 inches long, 19.5 inches wide, and 15.5 inches high. That's a substantial footprint for storing anything from camping gear and seasonal decorations to power tools and bulky sports equipment. On the inside, the base dimensions are 23 3/8 by 14 5/8 inches, with a height of 14 3/4 inches. So you're not losing too much internal space due to the structure, a big plus. Durability is at the core of Sterilite's design. These bins are made from solid, heavy-duty plastic that can take a beating without cracking. Whether you're stacking them high in a garage or transporting gear in a truck bed, they can handle the stress. The snap-fit lids are especially satisfying. They click down firmly, giving you the assurance that your contents are secure, dust-free, and water-resistant. One of the standout features is the lid design. It's not just about closing the bin. The grooved top with a keyhole pattern is made for tie-downs. That means these are travel-ready. You can strap them in place during transportation without worrying about them sliding around or tipping over. That's a level of thoughtfulness in design that separates good storage bins from great ones. Stackability is another reason we love these. The lids are recessed deeply enough that when you stack another tote on top, it nests in securely, reducing wobble and making tall stacks much safer. For people with limited space in garages or storage units, that's a huge win. Let's not forget about comfort. Carrying handles are molded into the sides, making them easy to lift and move, even when full. And they're not sharp or uncomfortable, which is something you appreciate when moving several bins back and forth. On the safety and health side, these bins are made in the USA and are both BPA-free and phthalate-free. That gives peace of mind if you're using them to store kids' toys, pet supplies, or anything sensitive. Another point to mention is longevity. Sterilite has been around since 1939, and this kind of product longevity shows in their design. These are built for repeated use over many years, not just for one-time moves or seasonal storage. In terms of aesthetics, while the industrial black and yellow may not be for everyone, it's a clear signal that these bins mean business. This isn't the container you tuck under your bed. It's what you bring to the workshop, the basement, or the back of your truck. So, who's this product for? Honestly, everyone. Whether you're organizing your closet, decluttering your office, protecting gear in a damp basement, or simply trying to bring order to chaos, the Sterilite 6-pack Industrial Tote delivers. To wrap it up, the Sterilite 6-pack Industrial Tote stands out because it nails the fundamentals. Size, strength, secure lid fit, stackability, water resistance, and portability. It's one of the most dependable storage solutions you can buy today. If you're ready to upgrade your storage game, this 6-pack is an investment worth making. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the best products out there. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. See you in the next video.